Olympic wrestler and Congress candidate Vinesh Phokot has won her debut elections from Haryana Julana Assembly seat with 65,080 votes. She won against BJP's Captain Yogesh Kumar by a margin of 6,015 votes. Meanwhile, INLD Surender Lathar received 10,158 votes and GJP's Amarjit Dhanda got 2,477 votes. Voting for all 90 assembly seats in Haryana took place on 5th of October. In a significant show of solidarity with the protesting junior doctors, senior faculty members at the Kolkata RG Kar Medical College and Hospital submitted their resignations today. The resignation wave comes in the wake of widespread outrage over the alleged rape and murder of a trainee doctor at the facility. Visuals circulated on social media captured students applauding as the senior faculty took their stand. The junior doctors who have been on a hunger strike since Saturday are demanding justice for their colleague and addressing a range of issues related to alleged corruption, threats and mismanagement at the hospital. The Tripura police has arrested 8 individuals in connection with the communal violence that took place over forceful collection of subscription for Durga Puja in North Tripura's Kadamtala on October 6. Speaking with India Today Northeast North District Superintendent of Police Bhanupata Chakrabarti said that the situation in Kadamtala is totally peaceful and all under control. We have arrested 8 persons. The arrests were made following the forceful collection of subscription and the violence. Manipur Congress criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP for allegedly using government agencies to silence dissent regarding the ongoing violence in Manipur. This follows a summon issued to Manipur Congress President Kesham Megachandra by the Enforcement Directorate ED under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA after he repeatedly spoke out about the crisis in the state. Congress spokesperson Ningombam Bhupender Mete accused the ruling party of suppressing the truth, stating in a post on X, formerly Twitter, our INC Manipur President Shri Megachandra can't be silenced for speaking the truth and for standing with the people of Manipur by the Modi government and its agency. We will fight this legally in the court. The All India United Democratic Front AIUDF has criticized Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma for his recent remarks during the Haryana Assembly election campaign about closing 600 madrasas in Assam. AIUDF President Badruddin Ajmal condemned Sarma's statement that the country needs doctors and engineers instead of mullahs, calling it divisive and prejudiced. He challenged Sarma to focus on providing professional education facilities for Muslims instead of making provocative speeches. Some 200 people may have been buried after a landslide occurred in a port area of Manacapuru, Brazil's Amazonas state, according to official sources. The military firefighters corps of the state of Rio de Janeiro on Monday said that the land supporting part of the Terra Preta port located on the banks of the Amazon River slid due to unknown reason. Although the area was under construction, the port continued to operate as a key transportation point, reports Xinhua News Agency. All India Pickleball Association AIPA will host the World Pickleball Championship WPC series in India for the first time. The championship will be held from November 12 to 17 in Mumbai following the highly successful Vietnam and Bali legs where the Indian teams secured gold, silver and bronze medal. Powered by the World Pickle League, the World Pickleball Championship Series in India will witness the participation of approximately 650 players from 6 to 7 countries like Australia, Vietnam, Taiwan, Poland and Singapore amongst the others.